I was actually so excited about this Walmart haul and the items that I found on Walmart that I opened this box up way earlier, but I'm excited to go ahead and jump in and share and review all of these items for you. I'm going to be styling them for you, and everything will be linked down below in the description box if you're interested in any of these items. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and jump on in. I wanted to start off with this little bag. I am smitten over this bag. I think it just looks stunning for the price that you pay, and when you feel the fabric of this bag, it's so soft and the quality feels just superb. So I was so excited about this bag. It exceeded my expectations and I had high ones, so very excited. It comes in about 4 to 5 other color options. I went with the neutral because it just matches with all different looks and it's easy to style with more casual looks as well as a little bit dressier because of this nice quilted design. It does have a gold chain on it. Now this is a removable 10-inch shoulder strap, so you don't have to wear the strap. You can literally just use it as kind of like a bag that goes over the corner of your arm. But I like to have that convenience there that if I need to throw it over my shoulder, it's there, if you know what I mean. So I love that gold detailing on it, and this is kind of how the inside of the bag looks. It's really beautiful. It has zippers on both sides, so it has a zipper on the back side and then has pockets here in the front. There's a lot of spacious room in here, and I feel like it's a really nice, sturdy, compact bag that you'll just get a ton of use out of this spring and summer season. I just wish you all could come through and just like feel the bag. Like the quality is superb, and it is by Sam Edelman, and the price is under $40, which to me baffles me. Go grab this. All right, I foresee this being a really hot seller on Walmart's website. Like I think it's gonna sell out really quickly. I just feel like shoe styles like this, especially this one, is just gonna go really fast. So if you see this, definitely snag it. But I love the style of this. When I first had ordered this, I was like, I'm not sure this is going to be comfortable. It's really good, you guys. It has this little strap that goes around your ankle. It's more of a platform, but it's an espadrille style, which I know we love that around here. There was actually a white espadrille sneaker that, here, let me grab it. So I actually found another look for less option that's very, very similar to the Tory Burch that is almost mirrors the Walmart one. So if you're interested in this style, I will have this one from Amazon linked below. It's comfortable. I would say if you run in between sizes, size up one, but I've been wearing this on repeat. So with that being said, this whole espadrille style is very, very in this season, and this does have a really comfortable padding right here, which is great as well. So if this does sell out, I will link a similar option. I'll go searching on the internet and find another very similar option for you guys as well, but runs true to size. I was excited about these two pieces from Walmart, but they exceeded my expectations. Like I just feel like both of these items are going to be staples in your closet this spring and summer season. So let's start off with this collared top. This is a really nice lightweight material. So if you're like, nah, we're heading into spring, I don't think I'm going to want a long sleeve. The material on this is very, very lightweight. It's a nice ribbed material. So I feel like this would look stunning for the workplace, like a business casual. You could throw this on with some slacks, and especially if you work in a chilly office, this could be a really great addition to have the sleeves. But it does have this gorgeous little gold detailing going down the front. These are functional, so you can open this up and maybe even use it as like a shorter cardigan as well. I did go ahead and go with my true to size small. I feel like it fits beautifully. It comes in about 3 other color options available in sizes extra small through 2XL, and I am wearing my true to size small here. I just love this baby pink for spring. I feel like this just gives total high-end like vibes, and you got it from super affordable from Walmart. So I really feel like it's just a win-win. It's currently on sale for $12, which honestly just blows my mind. So now's the time to snag it. Walmart's been running a ton of deals on their website recently. A lot of my favorite beauty items are also on major deal too, which I can have a little bit linked below if you're interested in that. And then these shorts are truly just really, really great, you guys. They are a cuff style denim. They do come in denim washes as well, but I loved this white. I feel like I needed a good pair of white denim shorts for this season, and the length, the inseam length is great. Like you're not going to worry about anything falling out, but they're also really cute. Sometimes like longer inseam or cuffed shorts cannot be quite as flattering. These are really great. They're like 98% cotton, organic cotton. So I feel like this brand, it's very so this pair of shorts is really breathable, and I just really like this brand on Walmart. I feel like they're very sustainable and they just do a really great job on their denim. All the denim I've tried, I've just been really, really impressed by. I did go with my true to size 2, and I would say if you're in between sizes, size up 1. I feel like especially with denim shorts, you don't want them to be too tight. And then here are the Amazon white espadrille sneakers because the Walmart ones are sold out and they're literally identical. I have tried out a lot of jeans from Walmart, and these have to be my number one. I mean, just the style, the fit, the quality of these are just superb. I just wanted to go ahead and pair it with this little square tote bag because I feel like it just went with this look so well. This little crochet tank. I'll set it down here so that we can talk about the jeans. All right, so these are the 90s relaxed jean. They come in 3 other color washes. I will have linked below my exact color wash, but the material on this is 98% cotton, so it is so comfortable. They hold their shape really well. They're that perfect on-trend jean in a sense that they are a straight style without being a skinny jean. They still give you that shape that you're looking for. They're really comfortable. They look great. I just love this style of jean. Now for height reference, I am just under 5'9", so my height is in my legs too. So they kind of run more like a 7'8" 3/4 length on me, but that's perfect for the spring and the summer. I'm used to wearing jeans kind of this way, and they're just gonna go with everything. So they're gonna not be a jean. At the end of the day, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I just want to take these jeans off. Like, they're really, really good. So paired with the crochet white tank and the little white espadrille sneakers. Here is a really pretty blouse option that I saw on Walmart's website, one of their new items, and I was like, that's really, really pretty. I love the detailing on this peplum top. So it has a nice smocked area right here, so it's an easy pull-on style. And then as you can see, it's that gorgeous square neckline. I am wearing my normal bra with this, and my normal bra does have very thin straps, so just keep that in mind. But then the sleeve has like a little keyhole here, which is so beautiful, and then it is more of a peplum style. So I feel like this style top is very flattering. It comes in 3 other color pattern options that are beautiful as well. I'm just really feeling this, like all types of blue that this blouse had. It looks great styled with the denim shorts that I just shared. As far as sizing, I did go ahead and size down to an extra small. I feel like in this brand, it typically runs big, so the extra small fits great, and I just feel like this is going to be an easy piece that you can style a lot of different ways. It looks great with white denim, and then completed the look with the little white espadrille sneakers again. I saw this like peplum styled acid wash t-shirt, and I was like, yes, I feel like I need a few shirt styles or easy shirts that you can throw on that are comfortable and just go out the door in. And I love the acid wash style, like the color wash on this. It's just very relaxed. It does come in 3 other color options if you're not looking for a black color. It does come in 3 other color washes if you're looking for a little bit more of a pop of color. I just have it styled with those jeans, which I think it looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, these jeans are just the absolute jackpot. And then some little white espadrille sneakers. But I did go ahead and go with my true to size small in this top. It's a nice flowy top, and it is available in sizes extra small through 2XL. I am just genuinely so excited. I just feel like the pieces are so good in today's video. Here is another option for shorts that you could use this spring and summer season. So these are a linen, a little bit over 50% linen blend short, but I love the details on these. So if you're just not feeling like wearing denim shorts, these are a great option. I like how these shorts are just a bit different than your typical denim. So they have like a long square pocket here. It's a little bit hard to tell because they are dark, but I'm trying to like face the lighting in the right way. They do have this gorgeous little scallop, almost lace detailing around the bottom of the short, which is stunning. Like they're high-waisted and they have a nice inseam length. I am wearing I actually did size down to an extra small in this. I feel like this brand can run a little bit big on me, and it comes in probably 6 or 7 other color options, and it's available in sizes extra small through 3XL. So obviously I went from a very neutral look with like a cream sweater and sandals, but you easily could throw on any colored top or tank top with this. That's the beauty of going with a very neutral tone short. You're going to be wearing them with all different looks all season long. So love this style. It also does have pockets, which makes it that much better. And sometimes when you add pockets to a short style like this, it can make it feel bulky, and it doesn't at all with this. It's a very fitted, light material that'll be perfect for the hot season. Just threw it on with this cute crocheted tank that is double lined and some little quilted sandals. So I liked this Henley long sleeve so much in the gray color that I decided to get it in this like grayish blue tone. And I love the look of it with the white denim shorts that I shared. I mean, this top, just the feel of it is so soft and the quality is really great. I had to get it in another color option and I really like the versatility of it. You easily could style this top with some longer like cream denim jeans for like a business casual look. And it's one of those, I just like rolled up the sleeves there. So it's one of those tops that you can wear throughout the summer, especially if it's like a chillier evening and you want to throw on like a long sleeve. This is going to be a great option. It is available in sizes extra small through 3XL and I went with my true to size small, just front tucked it into the shorts and then completed it with these little Reebok sneakers. These are really fun. They have this gorgeous little floral design on and I felt like they just went really well with this look, and I am wearing my true to size 9. I think the color of this dress and the style is so beautiful. So it does have a bit of a scrunched top up here, which I think is really flattering, very pretty. It does have a square neckline, a little bit more of a looser arm, which I feel like is just very comfortable. I feel like everything about this dress, you pull it on and you feel very comfortable in it. And then it does have a cinched waist, so it's an easy pull on style. And then it has this gorgeous little tier design going down the front. I am just under 5'9". The only downside to this dress is I feel like it's a little short on me. So I would say if you're like 5'7" or under, this would be just a stunning spring summer dress option. I did go ahead and pair it with those little sandals that I shared in the beginning, and I just love the combo. These sandals are just so beautiful in the sense that like they dress up any look. They're so chic and I just love the platform espadrille style on it. So definitely one of my favorites, and this dress does come in more color options. I did go ahead and go with my true to size small and it is lined, so it's not see-through in the least. Alright, if you enjoyed this Walmart video and want to see more videos from Walmart, make sure to give this a thumbs up and let me know which was your favorite item down below. And if you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. We do talk Walmart here very frequently and just affordable fashion, Amazon, Target in general. So would love to have you join the fam. So with that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye friends.